Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to bring black and white photos to life with vibrant colors using palette.fm. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more simple and powerful tech tips like this one. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and head over to palette.fm. Once you're there, click on Colorize Photos to begin. Next, select the black and white photo you want to transform. Upload it, and let palette.fm work its magic. It might take a few moments, but trust me, the results are worth it. Once the process is complete, you'll see your image beautifully colorized and full of life. If you're happy with the result, just hit download to save your masterpiece. And that's it. Turning old photos into colorful memories has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips from NextGen Tutorials. See you in the next video.